Once testing is complete, then quality will release the material, and at that point our manufacturing group can take the material and start to blend it. And we'll take that tote to a docking station, and then we gravity feed down to our encapsulation machines. And the encapsulation machines basically are going to open an empty vegetarian capsule. The echinacea material, the echinacea blend, will be added to the capsule. It'll be tamped at a couple of different stations, and then the capsule, the two-piece capsule, is put back together, and then it's ejected from the machine. The operator, as he's running, is using statistical process control. They have weights that they have to stay between, a high and a low end weight, and so every hour they're pulling samples and checking to make sure that they're within those weights. QC will also go in and do independent checks on the weights to make sure that the capsules are closed, to make sure that the weights are within the prescribed range. And at that point, the material is then boxed up and it's moved over to our packaging line.